What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another new song which came out recently on this Friday, which is 10 Into Stronger, and I think I'm left with Good Game from his new album What If Possibly Goes Wrong, obviously by Dominic Fike. This album got released on Friday, so I covered most of the song and I think I'm just left with Good Game now. So I want to cover that one also because that is actually having good guitar part over there. So let's get started. You see, you don't have any capo for this song. You have standard tuning obviously. So just have a look at the chords. We have 2 bar chords, which may be a bit bothering, but it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines of chords. If I'm not wrong, yeah, 7 lines. Yeah, 7 lines of chords. We have chord progression. We have 7 lines of chord progression, each having 4 chords. Obviously, the chords gets repeated a lot of times. So just have a look at the chord shapes. First chord, a G major, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. You can even add a 3rd fret on the B string. It doesn't make any sense. It's both the same thing. Then you have E minor, which is basically very easy, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. The most easiest chord on guitar to play. Like a person who bought a guitar just before a minute can play that E minor chord. It's actually too easy. The C major, mute 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then we have the D major, which is mute, mute, open, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd. Then we have this one. I like to play this chord over here, and this is my favorite shape because you can just transpose this to any part of the guitar. You can even play anywhere you want. So this is basically a D sharp diminished. We got a D sharp, we got a F sharp. So I'm going mute on the E and the A string. Got 1st fret on the A string, 1st fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the G string. So you can see the strings actually alternate one after the other. 2nd, 2nd. So it makes a nice shape. Sometimes looks like a D, and when you add this, it's a D sharp diminished, and you can just put it anywhere. So D sharp diminished, E diminished, like that. You can just play anywhere you want. So we got D sharp diminished. Now we have a B minor, which is mute. You got your index finger barring the 2nd fret. You have your middle finger on 3rd fret, and these 2 fingers on the 4th fret of the D and G. So mute 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Last chord, F sharp major, which is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. This is pretty easy to play. You just need a little bit of practice. If you're struggling a lot while playing the bar chords, just ping me up in a comment down below, and I will provide you with a link which will just direct you to one of my videos where I just show you how to master the bar chords. Now let's make it easy. Very super song and obviously great. We just do 4 down stroke in each chord. Firstly, just have a look at this right hand. Then I'm just gonna come to this left hand stop with 7 lines of chord progression. So first line, first string pattern, the strumming pattern, sorry, will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 downs. All the downs are equal. So no beat, nothing else. Like just simple 4 downs on each chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So the first line of chord will be a G, then a D major, then an E minor, then an E minor. You do 4 downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the E minor, a total of 8 downstroke because we have that E minor chord 2 times. Then you move on to the next line, which will be G, then a D, then an E minor, then a C. Okay, you do 4 downstroke in each chord, and then you move on to the next line. We have G, then a C, then a B minor, then an E minor. And the next line we have is a B minor, then a C, and here we come to the sharp diminished chord and go back to C. So I hope till this much is clear, and you can see everything on the screen, the chord progression and all. So let's play from that 2nd line. E minor, C major, G, C, B minor, the next line, next 3 lines, we just left with 3 lines. So the 5th line will be G, then a B minor, then E minor, then a C, then a G. Next line, D, E minor, then a C. Here comes the F sharp chord, G. So G major, and then you move on to that flat F sharp. So G, then a F sharp, then a E minor, and then a C. You not end the song over there. You just play a last G, do 1 downstroke, let that ring for like 3-4 seconds, and you just go to the end of the song. So you can see everything in the screen. So make sure you pause the video, just have a look at the chord shapes where I just showed you the chord charts and all. Make sure you practice those chords like B minor, F sharp, the diminished chord and all, and then you just play along with me. You're just gonna play the whole song one time from the beginning line till the 7th line. So let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's everything for this lesson, guys. I hope this helped you all. So make sure to subscribe. Check out other Dominic Fike, as I told you before, and I'm just gonna make a playlist today. So I hope that you drop me one of these. This helped you out, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. So then, bye.